Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken lollipop juicy. First, ensure your chicken drumettes are properly trimmed, pushing the meat down to create that classic lollipop shape. This preparation is crucial for even cooking and presentation. Next, focus on a good marinade. A well-balanced marinade not only adds incredible flavor, but also helps tenderize the chicken, locking in moisture before cooking. For a truly juicy result, your marinade is key. Incorporate acidic elements like lemon juice or vinegar, or dairy products such as yogurt or buttermilk. These ingredients work wonders in breaking down the chicken fibers, making it incredibly tender. Aim for a minimum of 2 hours of marination, but for maximum juiciness and flavor, letting them marinate overnight in the refrigerator is highly recommended. When it comes to cooking, choose your method wisely. Deep frying at around 350 degrees Fahrenheit gives you that irresistible crispy skin while keeping the inside perfectly moist. If you prefer baking, a temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit works well for even cooking. Regardless of your method, always let the chicken rest for about 5 minutes after cooking. This crucial step allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is succulent. Your perfectly juicy chicken lollipops are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them hot with a variety of dipping sauces, perhaps a spicy sriracha mayo or a sweet chili sauce. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro or sesame seeds adds a lovely finishing touch and enhances their visual appeal. Remember, presentation can make a big difference. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.